Hello, folks. Richard Fontana here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now, this is an exceptional offer, folks. So I recommend that you grab it. And I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
I can do something you can't. I can generate $1,000 to $2,000 per day every single day like clockwork. And I've been doing this for over 20 years now, and so can all of my partners, clients, and customers. And now I've discovered a way to partner with AI to practically do all of the work for me. And to be honest, I'm pretty proud of this fact. And if you were in my shoes, I bet you would be too. You see, as I speak to you here today, I can, with my hand on my heart, say I have created a 7-figure business that runs almost entirely on autopilot, bringing me thousands of dollars a day and life-changing money for me and my partners. And the best part? I found a way to partner with AI and get AI to practically do all of the work for me. And I'm assuming if you're here watching this video right now that you can't do any of that. Well, at least not yet. Because I don't say any of this to rub it in your face, I'm saying it so you realize why you should be paying attention. And more importantly, so I can show you how I can help you do this too. Because you don't care about what I can do for myself. That's not what's important here. What's more important than that is what I can do for you. That's all that really matters. And what I can do for you is let you get in on the action, sit on the other side of the table and partner with me on my 7-figure business, where you become my partner and pick up 100% of the profits on my 7-figure affiliate system, where commissions run as high as $417.95 per sale, and you get 100% of that money directly into your bank account. And what's more, I'll show you how to get your own AI partner that gives you a steady stream of sales, customers, and commissions, and turns our partnership into one of the most profitable of your life. If that sounds interesting to you, then you're in the right place. Now I'm going to assume something about you here, because if you're anything like me, when you started learning about how to make money online, you probably always dreamed of having a lifestyle business, something that would pay you $200, $500, or even $1,000 or more a day to fund your lifestyle. My guess is that you've even tried this in the past and it didn't work out that way. All the gurus have been telling you that making money online would be just so easy, but the reality is very different. Because the truth is, the gurus leave a lot out. They leave a lot of the pieces out of the puzzle that you really need in order to really make money online. Now, most online business owners that I talk to are struggling to make sales, unable to really pay themselves. And let's be honest, they don't really want to run a business. They just want all of the money and the lifestyle associated with having a successful and profitable business. Smart online business owners, however, who work less and earn more, are doing something very different. You see, smart online business owners are promoting other people's products, using AI to do all the work and picking up 100% of the commissions in the process. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do here today. Introducing AI Partner and Profit, a done-for-you money-making system that all you have to do is activate your AI partner and then pick up 100% of the profits, and up to $417.95 per sale. And what's more is, we'll show you how anyone can do this without setting up a website, without any expensive and unpredictable paid traffic, and without paying for any software or any of the things that most people tell you you need to do in order to make money online. Because with the AI Partner and Profit system, we do all of the work for you. AI gets you the traffic. We've built the websites, we've made the training, and we handle customer support. We deal with the payment processing. We deal with all of the headaches of running a business so that you don't have to. We've figured out all of the hard stuff, so all that you have to do is say yes to partnering with me and picking up your share of the profits. Because I know the pain you're having as you try to make money online as a business owner. I went through it too, to build my 7-figure business so that you don't have to. And you're not the first people that I've helped make money online either. In fact, just yesterday, a client hit me up and said this: I made $13,905 in 6 days. And then the other day, I got another email from another client that hit me up, and he said, I tripled my income literally overnight and made $2,000 in just 4 days. The day before that, I had a client that came out of nowhere, absolutely nowhere, and he said, I'm making thousands and thousands of dollars every month now thanks to your AI partner method. So you know this works. All you need is something that's proven to work so you can focus on only what matters: sales, customers, and commissions. And so that's exactly what we've created for you here today. All you have to do is just reach out and grab it. Now, you're probably wondering how much this is going to cost you, and that's the best part. Right now, we're practically giving AI Partner and Profit away, and the reason is we want to help as many people as possible. We know you're going to love partnering on the business we share, so by making the price super low, it keeps this purchase as an absolute no-brainer. So what should you do next? Order your copy of AI Partner and Profit now. Seriously, what's the reason for you not doing it? We're practically giving it away, and we both know if you hold off and don't grab your copy now, you might never see this page again, and you'll lose out on this opportunity. It's time to make a decision. If you've gotten this far, then now is your time to act. Be decisive and take control of your business. If you sit on the fence, you'll be left behind. It's just that simple. So now is the time to act. Now is the time to take this opportunity by the hand and run with it. It's the smart people who invest today and implement the AI Partner and Profit system who will reap the rewards. You'll be the ones who work less and earn more from a business built and run 100% for you. So if you've gotten this far, claim your copy of AI Partner and Profit now.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.
Before it's too late,